Restoring Black love between a man and a woman. Black love can be restored through intentional healing and unity. The restoration begins with both men and women commit to seeing each other as partners, not opponents, and choose to rebuild trust broken by historical trauma. Love must be rooted in mutual respect, emotional maturity, spiritual grounding, and open communication. Communities, churches, and family can help by celebrating healthy examples of Black marriages and relationships rather than magnifying dysfunction. True restoration comes when Black men and women understand that love between them is not just emotional, it's revolutionary. Two are better than one because they have a good reward for their labor. Ecclesiastes 4:9. Number 2, how it helps the children. When children see healthy love between their parents, they learn what stability, safety, and respect look like. It gives them emotional security and teaches them how to build relationships rooted in love, not survival or pain. A child raised in an environment of mutual love and respect grows up with stronger confidence, higher academic motivation, and a balanced view of gender and family love between parents creates a shield that guards the hearts of children from many of the world's negative messages. Children raised in homes filled with love are less likely to repeat cycles of brokenness and more likely to create strong families of their own. Number 3, how it helps the family. When love between husband and wife is healthy, the entire family becomes stronger. It sets the tone for peace in the home, encourages unity across generations, and promotes better decision making. A strong Black family becomes a source of guidance, tradition, and shared values. Love brings stability financially, emotionally, and spiritually. It allows family members to thrive rather than merely survive. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. 1 Corinthians 13:7. 4, how it helps the community. Restoring Black love strengthens the entire community because families are the foundation of a people. When homes are stable, communities produce fewer broken hearts, fewer broken homes, and fewer broken systems. Strong families lead to stronger schools, healthier children, and a rise in entrepreneurship and leadership. Black love becomes a visual model that inspires others to value commitment, responsibility, and respect. When Black men love Black women publicly and women honor Black men openly, it heals generations of hurt and shows our children that love among us is not extinct.